Okay, here we are, 1 week later at McGuire's. At the scene, it's no longer a raging waterfall. It has slowed down considerably. There's the duck box, wood duck box. You can hear it still running out pretty good. It wouldn't take a whole lot to stop this at this point. Here's that pipe that we saw the other time. You can see it's not running, it is running through it, but not as much as it is through this break in the wall. And you can see here better that this is ready to go too. And there's the pathway down to the water on the other side of the pipe there. Okay, this is Sunday afternoon. Show you some more of the devastation. Water level, of course, way down than what it was last week. And we have had some rain. There are all kinds of animals here. I actually saw like a gaggle of turkeys. A couple of big ones, a couple of medium-sized ones, and some little ones. I just startled them as much as they startled me. But I also saw an eagle, 3 little green herons, lots and lots of great blue herons because it's like fishing in a barrel. And there are a lot of fish and turtles. One looking at me right now. You probably can't see his little head. Lots of fish jumping. Redbirds. Again, here's what we're looking at. And it's kind of wearing its way. Water will have its way. So, I don't know. Like I said, here's where it's undermining that. And you can see here too, and the different cracks there that showing instability. Nothing really to hold it. There's that big area in the back that is fairly deep, and that would, in my opinion, need to be filled in. That's just my opinion. I don't know. There is a place over here. You can see right there where the natural water level would be kept, and the water could go out there, which it had been doing in addition to these pipes. But that's like the natural waterway right there. I don't see why we need any more. But again, you know. Alright, camera battery's running low.